Hey y'all, welcome back to Beautywithty. I'm back with another video. This time I come to y'all with the Jayda braids. Yes, I'm 33, well ready to be 33 next month. Yeah, I've been on TikTok too much, but I'm here with the Jayda braids. A lot of girls be like, they are childish. It's called inspiration, mama. 5 braids? What are you gonna do with 5 braids? You are going to slay. That's it. What else you gonna do? I don't know about y'all, but don't knock it till you try it. Because these 5 braids got me in a chokehold. They look good. Let's get into it. Alright, you guys. So I washed, conditioned, and blow dried and flat ironed my hair. Not too much. I just ran the flat iron through it. So I'm going to be using this edge control to like help me part my hair. You know, get that going from ear to ear. Boom, bow. See how even I can get it. So let's go down the middle. Now, this is like from here. Let's just see if I get this side. Same. I think it's still crooked, but that's how it's going to be. Just like that. Alright, here's my prep work. And y'all, the lashes I'm ready to put on. My sister was selling these. And these are the lashes. Let me put these bad boys on. From my sister. So now let me stop all you crying in a second. Because baby, when that shit hit ya. Alright, so this is the hair I'm using. And of course it is pre-stretched. Color 1B. Come in 3 bundles. So I am going to do some edges. You see. And then my hair. So I'm just going to start off by splitting the bundle. And then I'm just going to section out the entire section about this thick to do feed-ins. Take this really thick edge control. Go to work. You gotta get this joint sleek. I use these big black rubber bands that came from the braiding hair. Okay, that's cool. Alright, more edge control all around my ponytail because this is a big braids. So I'm split this into 3 sections. 1 edge control. Let's go a little bit up the ring. Okay, so I'm going to start from underneath and braid underhand. And one thing about this style, when you look at it, you're like, oh, that looks easy. I can do that. But baby, this was some work. And I believe by me using so much edge control on the ends of my hair is what helped me keep it nice and neat and inside the braid. And if my hair was just a little bit longer, I'm sure it would have been a lot easier. So if your hair is short, you're going to struggle a bit. It look like a good thickness. This is a low key, a struggle. My hair is cramping. And then you can't just braid the hair. You have to feed it in so that the size will look right. If not, it's going to start off really thick and end really small. Yeah, let's add this about here. Okay, I put a little knot at the end. Hopefully that stays until I dip this in some water, curl it, whatever. Alright, and that's what the base look like. I think I want to put a little bit of hair around the top. So take a little bit And no, on Jayda's style, she did not wrap the base of hers. However, I didn't like how it was looking, so I decided to wrap the base of my 5 braids. Do you, sis, when it comes to your hair? Get the base really tight. That way I don't have to use any hairpins. That's it right there. That's it, baby. And it's long. When you can slay like Jayda and you got the brown skin. It's like I'm playing. Okay, let's go to the next. Don't really make that much of a difference, but whatever. Step 1, get your edge control. Step 2, rub that in. Somebody please tell me to stay off TikTok. Cause baby, I got 3. Yeah, I don't know. But you know what? While I'm sitting right here doing this voiceover, I'm thinking, I wonder if I would have had such a hard time if I did not have on my nails. Because that could be another reason why I'm having issues. I usually don't have on nails and braid my hair. I think that's even. I'm kind of messed up right here. This is all my hair. That's not ideal. I should have wrapped it in between the hair. So you live and you learn. Because I ain't going back. Ain't no going back, baby. It's 5 braids. Some real quick, easy, you know. Added my other piece in. Now I'll keep braiding down. Round and round they go. Round and round and round they go. Now to the back jack. Yeah. Okay, so in the back, I'm doing the exact same thing. Adding my edge control first. I'm actually using this little mirror plus looking to another big mirror. And that's how I get my part straight for the ones that's wondering. That's how your girl do it. Come over. Come on. Alright, so this time is from the back. See here in the back, I added the braiding hair at the top and working my way down because it was just easier and I couldn't get my arms right to put it underneath. I can feel it. Feel like it look good. And it does. And if you think it looks good, go ahead and leave me a comment down below and let me know. Alright, turn this on around. Alright, now I'm going to keep going down to have to add my last piece towards the bottom. Okay, boom. And y'all can see I cut my 2 locks. They was like right here. And I actually filmed it, but I ran out of space the other day when I was recording my last video and I accidentally deleted it. But they're gone. They're gone. I'm done. They're over. I do want to lock my entire head though. That was really the main reason. I just don't know when I'm going to do that. All the braids are complete. Now let's finish the style by swooping these edges. Okay, so I'm put a little bit of this like on the root. And then take a little holding spray. And as you guys know, or you may not know, that my edges are straight from the motherland. And baby, these are the steps that I have to take with these edges of mine. They cute though. All I did was braid it down and then dipped it in some hot water when I should have either used the foil how I usually do or curled it with a roller so they would have been curlier. But here's the finished look. Everything looked good. My edge control did an amazing job. Get with it, honey. All right, you guys, so here's a quick update. It is 4 days later. My hair has been like this. It's still holding up pretty well. I haven't done my edges since the first day, so they are a little rough. And I've been going to the gym. But I'm gonna do my makeup really quick and then I'm gonna come back, freshen up my hair, and yeah. I probably should have curled my ends because me just doing a little braid really didn't do much. You see here, they're just like a little wavy. Okay, a little slight makeup look. Now I'm going to be using my She Is Bomb Goo on the crunchies. And I'm going to take the same edge control again and just put it around the perimeter of my ponytail to like get that sleek again. Okay, that'll do. Trying to give y'all like a full body so you can see. Here's where my braids stop. That's where they hang low. Gotta wobble wobble. All right, I'm sleepy, I'm tired, I'm over it. But here's a little update. Here's the back. Well, the other day I did like kind of push this over here like that. You know, I also pulled them back. Look really sleek. Give it to the beat like give it to the beat like Peace out. That's all I have for you guys today. Make sure you click the link and subscribe. Go to my social medias. Do what you do if I'm on there. See you later.